In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for PR agency. We're going to walk through a simple, repeatable workflow that keeps your press releases, pitches, and follow-ups organized from idea to completion, so your team always knows what's next and nothing slips through the cracks. First, open your trial management board in Monday.com. Think of this board as the command center for your PR work. It's where you'll keep every deliverable, from upcoming press releases and media lists to outreach tasks and client approvals. If you're juggling multiple clients or campaigns, this single board helps you see priorities at a glance and align timing across channels. Next, create a new task. In Monday.com, this is usually called a new item. Give it a clear, consistent name so it's easy to scan later. For example, client outlet, pitch angle, or client press release version. That naming pattern becomes a lifesaver when you're moving fast or sharing updates in meetings. Now edit your task with a due date and status. Set the due date to the exact day you need the work completed or sent, not just the week. Doing this makes timeline views and reminders accurate. Update the status to reflect where the task stands, such as not started, in progress, waiting on approval, or ready to send. Clear statuses help your team know what's blocked and what's moving. If your board includes fields like priority, owner, or channel, fill those in too, so responsibilities are obvious from the start. Use the updates or notes section to capture key details like the target journalist, angle, link to the draft, or client feedback. And if you have a draft or media list, attach it directly to the task so everything lives in one place. Add here all the PR that is yet to be given. In practice, that means quickly entering every upcoming deliverable as its own task. Each press release draft, each pitch to a specific outlet or contact, each follow-up, and any embargoed announcements. Getting your entire backlog into the board gives you a complete prioritized view of work. When a task is done, drag it to the complete area or set its status to done. This closes the loop, clears it from your active queue, and makes your reporting cleaner. Over time, this creates a reliable record of what shipped and when, which is invaluable for client recaps and team performance reviews. You can also enhance your board with widgets and views, like calendar for deadlines, workload to balance team capacity, and charts to visualize progress. These make the table more comprehensive and efficient without changing your core process. That's the workflow. Open your board, add a new task, set the due date and status, and mark it complete when finished. Keep it consistent, and Monday.com will become your PR team's single source of truth.